In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and let me show you how to block a number on this device. So at first, open your phone dialer, tap on More icon and select Settings. Here find and click on Block Numbers, and now you can either block all unknown colors by using this first switcher. Obviously you can switch off this function the same way, or you can add some number manually to your blacklist by tapping on Add a Number. Here provide the number, tap on Block, and that's it. As you can see, it has been blocked. To remove a number from your blacklist, just tap on cross icon, click on unblock, and that's it. So basically that would be all. This is how you can use a blacklist in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.